What's up, Groovy Tubers? I'm Sean. I live in a shed on an urban homestead in Tucson, Arizona. In the desert, the sun is the most dominant force of nature. It illuminates, heats, and electrifies our homes. It powers our garden beds and landscape. By placing structures and plants relative to the seasonal path of the sun, you can create a green garden oasis. Here we see the path of the sun during winter solstice in Tucson. It rises in the southeast and sets in the southwest, casting long shadows northward. Anything placed north of a tall structure or plant will spend most of its time in the shade in the winter. During the spring and fall equinox in Tucson, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, casting shadows slightly northward. During the summer solstice in Tucson, the sun rises in the northeast and sets in the northwest. A good strategy is to place tall structures or tall native plants west of your more vulnerable plants. This way they'll be shaded in the extreme heat of the afternoon. In the desert, things like compost piles need protection from the sun year-round to retain moisture. To accomplish this, place shade on the east, west, and south side of the pile, as well as providing shade from above. Properly sized awnings can help shade your windows in the summer and allow sunlight in for passive solar heating in the winter. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.